Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kensthetic, and I'm here with you guys today with a new video. So I want to start off by saying happy March, happy Women's History Month. So March is such an amazing month to highlight and celebrate the accomplishments of women in history as well as women in current day. So this month will be a very big thing. I'm planning to implement a lot of content surrounding women's history, surrounding women today who are doing amazing things. So expect to see some of that content on my channel this month. But I just wanted to start off with a little disclaimer. So I know in February I noted that I was going to highlight a lot of black owned brands and show you guys which brands I like and what they have and all of that. But y'all, February ended up being a very hard month for me, and I just needed to take the time to just reset and just get my mental space together. Two of my closest friends from college lost their moms, so that was a lot for me to deal with. And also I had a trip to Jamaica which I had to plan for, as well as just get everything together, and I just really wanted to enjoy that trip. And then as soon as I came back, I had to travel for work. So February was a lot for me, but it's okay because the same content I was going to provide you guys with in February, I will implement throughout the month of March. So I know I say I'm going to do things come up sometimes, but it's okay because as long as you make it happen, then that's what matters. So today's video is very special to me because it's a haul, and it's a handbag haul. In case you guys don't know, I'm obsessed with accessories, handbags, shoes, all of that. I'm here for it. But this brand is black owned, women owned, and vegan. So all the goods, okay? It's called Minimi Handbags, and I was grateful enough to receive some items from them. So I'm going to show you guys the items that I received from them, give you guys more information on it, all of the tea and all of that. So that's what we'll be doing in today's video. So before we get started, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that red subscribe button down below. We're on the road to 5K, and I'm really excited because I have such great things planned for when we hit 5K. So go ahead and help us get there, and we'll be able to see what your girl got in store for y'all, okay? If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up so I know, and drop a comment down below after you watch this entire video with your thoughts, comments, opinions, and all of that. Drop it down below, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So I know I said I'm going to start off my videos with my looks because you guys usually have questions. My hair, I have lots of videos coming on it, but I have in crochet faux locks right now, and I'm absolutely in love with them. These eyelashes I got from AliExpress. I just did a little eyeshadow look using my Dare to Dream Morphe palette. I believe that's what it's called. And my lippy is chestnut with NYX Cosmetics lingerie push-up lipstick. I think it's in corset with my NYX lip liner on top of it. These earrings are from Forever 21, and that's basically what we have on today. But let's go ahead and get into the video, okay? So the brand that we'll be doing a haul of today is Minimi Handbags. Just to give you guys some information about the brand, I'll go ahead and read some information that I have on it here. So Minimi Handbags is cruelty-free fashion. Our premium vegan leather is made in an animal-friendly environment using natural materials to create the look and feel of real leather. Minimi Handbags is a woman-owned, New York-based company that specializes in mini-sized vegan leather handbags and accessories. Each bag is uniquely designed using beautiful colors and distinct patterns with the environmental friendly fashionista in mind. Our ultimate goal is to transform the way we think of handbags. No sacrifice is necessary to look good. And I did receive some products from the brand, which is what I'm going to be showing you guys today. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So the first handbag that I have from Minimi Handbags is Kate's. This is she. It's a really cute handbag that has this handle here, so you can wear it like in your hands, or you can go ahead and put it on your shoulder. And when you put it on your shoulder, this is how it hangs. But I really love this bag because I don't have any yellow bags in my collection. So when I saw this one, I'm like, oh my god, she is so cute. As you guys can see, it has some detailing here on the flap of the handbag, which I absolutely love. I feel like it adds more personality to the bag on top of the color. The bag itself is this pastel yellow, and then it has this darker yellow flap. This bag is perfect for spring, which is coming up, and also amazing for vacations. Okay, so this is Kate. Kate retails for $65 US, which is not bad at all. And I brought her to Jamaica. I was expecting to wear her, but I didn't wear her, but it's okay because I have a couple more vacations and she will be worn. And what I do, just a little packing travel tip as well, is if I'm carrying handbags for my outfits, I put the outfit that I'm going to wear inside of it, just because it makes it easier to consolidate things while I'm packing, as well as when I'm on vacation, I don't have to like scatter around and find the outfit that goes with the bag. So what I had planned to wear Kate with is just a white bikini. It's just a plain white bikini, and I had this cover up headscarf situation, so I wasn't sure if I was gonna wear this headscarf on my head or around my waist, or also what I was planning to do was take Kate and kind of wrap this scarf around Kate, around the handbag, like so. Okay, so this was a quick sloppy job, but y'all get the gist of what I'm saying. I just wanted to wrap this around to give it some personality. So one headscarf, 3 different ways to wear it, either on your head, around your waist as a cover up, or on the handle of your Kate Minimi handbag. So this will be coming with me on my next vacation. So when y'all see me post my picture on Instagram, just like it, comment, and keep it pushing, and just act like I didn't spill the tea here first, okay? So the next handbag that I have is Mimi, and Mimi is this white color mixed with this baby pink vegan leather. On the front of Mimi, it says Minimi right here. And also the texture of this leather is really nice, which I love. It adds a lot of personality to the bag. So I love how Mimi has this drawstring detail. I feel like this is in for, you know, small little handbags right now. When you pull the drawstrings, it also gives the bag more of a look, which I love. It has this long strap, which you can wear on your shoulder. And I don't want to get my makeup on it. I'm not even going to try it right now, but you can also wear Mimi as a crossbody bag, which I love how you have options on how you can wear Mimi. But Mimi is really cute. Mimi will also be coming with me on my next vacation, just so you guys know. But I like Mimi because you can wear it casually, like you can wear her with a pair of jeans and like a sweatshirt, or you can even wear Mimi with a swimsuit and a cover up and some sunglasses as you on somebody's beach, possibly with somebody's son drinking a margarita. Okay, so Mimi was the next handbag that I have. Mimi retails for $80, which is not bad at all, and I love her. So the next Minimi handbag that I have is Lizzie. Lizzie is honestly my favorite. I'm not even gonna lie. This is Lizzie. Lizzie is this burnt orange color, and it has this croc detailing on it. I absolutely love it. As you guys can see, it says Minimi right here. Lizzie gives us options, okay? Lizzie gives us this little strap, which is very much so cute. And Lizzie also gives us a crossbody option as well. I love Lizzie because it just gives me rich energy, okay? Lizzie just makes me feel like I have money. Lizzie makes me feel like my bank account has escalated in ways that I have been manifesting for years. Lizzie is just that girl, okay? So Lizzie retails for $85, which is not bad at all. And Lizzie can fit a lot. I didn't expect Lizzie to fit so much in it. When I wear Lizzie, let me show y'all. Oh, I got some earrings in here. I forgot about. So, as far as what Lizzie can hold, I just wanted to give you guys a live demo because Lizzie has kind of became an everyday bag for me, which I would have never expected given the color. But Lizzie can fit my wallet. Boom. Lizzie can fit my phone. And Lizzie could fit my lip gloss. This is all I need when I go out. My wallet, my phone, and my lip gloss, and I'm good. So that's what Lizzie can fit, just to give you an idea. And after putting all of those things in, Lizzie can still close comfortably. So Lizzie has become an everyday bag for me because I'm just into crossbody bags. I like having my bag in front of me. I like being able to see my bag and to sense my bag at all times. And also I love the fact that Lizzie is also a cute little, you know, handbag. So I love Lizzie. I need Lizzie in more colors, okay? Minimi handbags, we need Lizzie in more colors. If Lizzie came in black, then I feel like my whole handbag collection would just be canceled, okay? So this is Lizzie, and this is my favorite Minimi handbag. So the next and last Minimi handbag that I have is Riley. Riley is very, very cute. Riley can be crossbody, so you can either wear Riley like this, or you can wear Riley as a waist bag. So as we can see, there's a trend of Minimi handbags giving us options, which the girls love. And Riley has 3 components on it. So Riley has this bigger component. So in this bigger compartment of Riley, just to give you guys a sense of what it can fit, I can put my phone in here, and I have an iPhone 11 as well as my lip gloss. Y'all know how I feel about my lip gloss. And this component can close comfortably. And then in here you have this little zip pouch where you can put your cash, you can put your coins and all of that in here. And then you have this smaller section where you can put, like, you know, your little Metro card or whatever you need to get to quickly. Riley retails for $110, and I love Riley because I can wear it with like a denim jacket. I can wear it with, like, you know, the fur shearling jacket. And as I mentioned before, my coins and my wallet is right on my chest, on my waist, where I can see it at all times, which I love. And this is Riley. So those are the 4 handbags that I have from Minimi Handbags, along with the handbags that I received from the brand. I do want to purchase a few more, so let me put y'all on to my next purchases, or my first purchase from Minimi Handbag. So the first handbag that I'm going to purchase from Minimi Handbags is Jada. Jada comes in green as well as black. I still haven't decided if I want Jada in black or green yet, but Jada is definitely going to be an addition to my closet, as well as Dion. So Dion is sold out right now, but Dion would be the perfect vacation bag that can also give your outfit a zhuzh of style, a zhuzh of personality. So hopefully Dion comes back in stock, because I would definitely want her in my closet as well. And I was going to order from Minimi Handbags online, but a part of my 2020 goals, as well as something that I want to do more of, is support brands and people more in person this year. So I'll go ahead and put the post on the screen right here. But Minimi Handbags is going to be at the Gal Pals Unite pop-up shop on the weekend of March 14th. So I told myself that I'm going to go, I'm going to network, I'm going to pick up my Jada and maybe my Dion if it's back in stock by then. But that is my plan. So if you guys are in the New York area, you guys are interested in supporting a women's event this month, Women's History Month, then go ahead and check this event out. And when you're there, do not forget to shop Minimi Handbags, because the bags are popping, okay? And the reason why I really wanted to highlight this brand on my YouTube channel is because you guys know I'm into luxury handbags, and luxury bags are not based on the amount that you pay for the bag. For me, it's more of the quality. So the fact that these handbags are vegan, is black owned and woman owned, and handbags are amazing quality, I'm just like, I'm here for it, okay? So I just wanted to give you guys this option, because I know you guys think luxury handbags, you gotta have a Zio, you gotta have a Louis Vuitton, you gotta have a YSL, but no sis, here we are with a black owned, woman owned vegan brand that gives us handbags at a reasonable price. So make sure you guys go ahead and shop Minimi Handbags. I'll have the link down below, as well as more information. And make sure you guys follow them on Instagram, because I've been following them for a while and I see that they have discounts every now and then. So make sure you guys follow them, so that if you guys are interested and you guys want to shop them with a discount, then you guys can catch it while you can. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know this video is a little later than I expected to put it up, but I still wanted to put it up because I love these handbags and I wanted to share them with you all. So I hope you guys like this haul. I hope you guys like me introducing this brand to you all. If you guys knew about this brand already, then comment down below and let me know. Comment and let me know which one of these brands were your favorite, as well as if you guys plan on shopping Minimi Handbags or attending the event that I told you guys about in this video. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel before you head out. Give this video a big thumbs thumbs up if you enjoy, and drop a comment down below before you head out. And until my next video, which won't be tomorrow, it'll be the day after tomorrow, I'll see you guys later.